Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to WhiteBoard Weather. On this, the first day of September. Starting the month off on a cloudy note, but it is warm and muggy outside. Dew points have been climbing throughout the day, and they're generally running in the upper 60s, so it doesn't feel very, shall we say, autumnal outside, even though September 1st, technically, at least in my world, the world of meteorology, is the start of what's called meteorological autumn. That is the 3-month period, September, October, November, and it's a transition season, and it's based on average daytime temperatures. So welcome to meteorological autumn, everyone, this September the 1st. And I promise you, in the longer range, it will feel more autumnal, probably sooner rather than later. Details we will certainly get to coming up in just a couple of minutes. A couple of notes, if you will, from August, a quick recap of the month. I wrote down all the little numbers here that I thought were important to recall from the month of August, and a quick breakdown for you. The average high for August was 83.7. The average low, 62.7, which means we had a mean temperature of 73.2, which means we finished the month above average by 1.7 degrees, so warmer than normal. And we had 4 days in the month of August in which temperatures were at or above 90 degrees. In terms of rainfall, 5.57 inches of rainfall, a surplus of over 2 inches for the month. However, those numbers are not really representative of the month. About 5.5 inches of that 5.57, so most of it, probably like 97% of it, fell on just 5 days. We had about a half of an inch of rain on the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th, an inch of rain on the 27th, and almost over 2 inches of rain fell on the 28th. So a lot of the rainfall from August fell on just 5 days. The other 26 days were generally dry. So that's just a quick recap of the month that is now in our rearview mirror. All right, before we take a look ahead, I would like to start with an acknowledgement and to talk about our sponsor for this Tuesday afternoon. It is WetGo at GetGo, and specifically highlighting the unlimited wash program from WetGo at GetGo. What that is and what it means is you can wash your car as often as you like by saving time and money, and it's literally one low monthly price. Now that alone is a great deal, but now through September the 8th, so you have another week to sign up and get started, you get the best wash they offer. Now, when you walk into a car showroom, you know how clean the cars look? Well, WetGo has what's called the showroom wash, which for the unlimited program typically costs $29.99 a month. Now through September the 8th, that price has been reduced to $9.99 per month for the showroom wash, which gives you the tire shine, the wax, the undercarriage blast, and the extra soap and suds. It is a premium high-end wash that you get for $9.99 a month. One low price, wash as many times as you want. It can be once a day, it can be twice a day, it can be 5 times a day. Doesn't matter. Really easy and simple to sign up online and then get your tag at any WetGo, and then you drive right through. No contract is required. It is the unlimited wash program from WetGo at GetGo, and you should get started today. Here's a look at some current conditions. Speaking of today, mostly cloudy across the area. Every now and then there's been a brightening of the skies. Temperatures in the low 80s in Newcastle and Beaver Falls, 79 in Pittsburgh and Latrobe, 81 in Washington, and look at those dew points, that DP column, numbers there, which is the measure of atmospheric moisture, running in the mid to upper 60s. So it feels very muggy outside. And you'll notice the winds, not much of a help. They're pretty light today, 5 miles an hour or less. And it will stay muggy for the next couple of days. Very quickly, I want to show you this. There is a warm front just off to our west and southwest. You can see it across central Ohio. That warm front lifting through the area. This is tomorrow morning. So it's going to stay warm and sticky through the day tomorrow. But eventually there will be not just one. You can see one cold front coming through Thursday morning. And then there's a second one. That one in the Midwest should be through here Thursday evening. Behind that second front, we will see a turn to some cooler, drier, and more comfortable conditions just in time for the Labor Day holiday weekend. And I did mention, look for cooler weather in the long range. This is the 10 to 14 day temperature outlook. You can see that big B in the central part of the country. That means below average temperatures, a high probability. And we are going to be right on the line of near to below average. Normal highs generally run around 79. So basically your takeaway from this should be we're not going to see any really warm temperatures through the middle part of the month. Actually, numbers are going to trend more near and below average. So I would expect lots of 70s in our future over the next 14 days. So that is just a quick and dirty preview of your long-range temperature trend. Before we get over to the whiteboard and I break it down for you day by day, let me break this down for you. Birthdays today, 1st of September. Jason Taylor, the NFL Hall of Famer. Gloria Estefan, minus the Miami Sound Machine. And Dr. Phil McGraw, has his birthday today. It's National No Rhyme Day today, highlighting words that you simply just cannot rhyme. Words like orange, ninth, purple, silver, and month. And speaking of month, one final note. September is National Suicide Prevention Month, and it is National Pediatric Cancer Awareness Month. Two causes that are certainly worth our time and attention. So, it's your national days, your national months, and your birthdays for today. How about we get to some weather for the rest of today and beyond? It is whiteboard weather, and it is brought to you again by WetGo at GetGo. Check out that unlimited wash program. Really the best deal I've seen at any car wash in the area. Less than $10 a month will get you unlimited washes, and not just any wash, the showroom wash when you sign up before September the 8th. You can't get your car washed once for much less than $10. How about a whole month of the best washes you can find for less than $10 a month? Sunset tonight, 7:52. Sunrise, 6:47. We do have the full corn moon overhead tonight. As I mentioned, meteorological autumn begins today. So I guess happy autumn, everyone. And we will see near to below average temperatures. At least the trend will be that way for the next 14 days. Here's a look at your forecast for tonight. Not very autumnal. 68 degrees, mild and muggy, a lot of clouds lingering overhead. Tomorrow, 82 degrees, warm and humid. Increasing opportunity for scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. And then tomorrow night, mostly cloudy, 67, the low temperature. Thursday is going to be a bit of a transition day. It's still going to be warm and humid with more clouds and sunshine, but the shower chance on Thursday will be more related to cold frontal passage, 81 the high. Once that front sweeps through, cooler, drier, more comfortable starting Friday, heading into the Labor Day holiday weekend, 77 degrees. And then if you have plans this weekend, check this out. 76 on Saturday with sunshine, and Sunday will be just that, 79 degrees, a pleasant day with sunshine from start until finish. And Labor Day is looking good as well. Dry with temperatures right around 80 degrees, just FYI. So that's a look at your whiteboard for a Tuesday afternoon, brought to you by the Unlimited Wash Program from WetGo at GetGo. One low price, wash as many times as you want. Multiple times a day if you want. So that is all I have for you today. I had a long list of things I was putting together, and I think I got to them all. So good stuff there. Be sure to check out my website, pittsburghweathernow.com, and to get a chance, putting up new articles regularly there. So some fresh content each and every day. Also, as always, I ask that you please share Whiteboard Weather with all of your Facebook friends. The more you share, the more people join us each and every day. That's going to do it for today. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace. See ya.